This is 511 Flex flashlight pouch. The color is kangaroo. The quality is very good and the design is pretty slim. You can put basically pretty large diameter flashlight into this. And the wall chrome, the quality is pretty good. And on the side here is a band, so actually you can stretch it. On the back, you can adjust where you want it to be. It's very tight actually. I want to leave it like 3 sections. Everything is very tight, very sturdy, very strong. Yeah, if I do this, it will be easier. Alright, just like this, I can put it into my belt and pretty easy. Now I'm going to use my flashlight to show you how it works. So this is the Surefire E2D Defender Ultra. The lens is 5.6 inches. And let's see. So when I put it inside, it's pretty sturdy. You see that? And then you fold it just like this. And they make this part longer so it is actually adjustable. And also you can put the end into the holder and then using this part clip to do this for even more secure, and then fold it like this. So you can do it either ways, and I think they're both looks good. And this is for larger flashlight. So if your flashlight like this, probably this one is not the right one. And for larger flashlight like this, 5.6 inches, this is perfect. It got different colors, so for me, I like the kangaroo color better. For quality wise, it's pretty strong. It's super strong. And the wall chrome, nice. And on the back, you can fit it into the 511 backpacks. And it's very easy to use. You can use this on the belt as well. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.